up, y'all? It's your girl Give You Face, and I am back yet again with another video. So today we're gonna be doing a natural glam because I never do anything natural. So today we're gonna be doing this slay right here. So I'm gonna be going back. I'm taking it back to, it's dusty, let me wipe it off. I got a bunch of makeup on it, but I'm taking it back, y'all. I'm taking it back to the OG. I'm taking it back to the Morphe. And this is the old packaging too. If y'all know Morphe, y'all know this is the old packaging. So we're taking it back to the Morphe 35O palette. So if you guys don't know what the Morphe 35O palette, which I'm sure you do because it was going around, you know. Everybody wanted the Morphe 35O palette when it came out. So I'm just going to show y'all what we're working with. This palette is amazing. Let me tell you, it's amazing. So if you're first starting your kit, if you need, you know, different palettes and stuff, Morphe is a really good brand to work with. So this one just has your warm toned browns. It has a couple cool colors in there, but I just love it because it just has, you can use this for a bride. Like, I love palettes that you can bring out to use for a bride. So whenever I go do makeup, if I don't know exactly what I'm going to do on the bridesmaids, or if I'm doing the bride's trial, I will bring that. All the Morphe palettes are super good. The 35 collection, those are the bombs. So that's what we're going to be using today. We're going to be just doing this nice, you know, natural look. I never do a natural look on my page, so here we go, sis. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way next time you know when I drop a video. And don't forget, please don't forget to subscribe, sis, because you know, you don't want to miss out on anything. And I'm trying to make it to 2K. So once we hit 2K, there will be a giveaway. So yeah, so if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, let's get into this video, okay? I think I want to go in with this color right here. So I went ahead and did that on the other eye. So now we're going to be going in with this peachy color in the palette right here. Just going to go over top of that brown. Now that we did that, we're going to take this color in the very middle right here. And we're just going to take it right on top. So now that we got those browns on, I'm just going to take my Rumor 3 P. Louise base, and we're just going to cut the crease because you know I can't go without cutting the crease, okay? So yeah, that's what we're going to do. So now we're going to add this color right here. I'm going to go in with this dark brown at the bottom. And I'm going to take a Morphe M507 We're just gonna blend that in the outer corner. And then I'm going to add a little bit of that first color that we put in the middle. Well, the color from the middle right here that I used to deepen up the crease. We're going to blend those two colors together. And just bring it in. This color right here. And then that's just going to go right at the top. So we got our look on, we got our lashes on. Now we're just gonna do a quick face. We'll be using the Milk Primer. I'm just gonna push that in with a sponge real quick. And we're just going to take our foundation and I'm just going to take my air spun So now I'm just going to take my contour kit by the Crayon case and yeah, we just took, I forgot. So what we did was we took a little bit of, I forgot I was doing a talk through. So we took the Anastasia Beverly Hills Bronzed and we're just putting that on our nose here and here. And then I put some black eyeliner on it and I use that same brown. I got in the zone and I forgot I was talking to you guys. So now we're gonna go in with the Crayon case. This is a liquid lipstick in the color Bear, and this is just a brown color, so we're just gonna throw this on. Spray one more time. So this is basically the look here.